fluffy slime. Don't forget to like this video, like my other videos, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. First, you're gonna need a bowl to mix all of your ingredients in. You're also gonna need a spoon or something to mix your slime with. You're also going to need some white school glue. Next, you're going to need some shaving cream. Next, you're going to need some lotion. You're also gonna need some pumped soap. You're also gonna need some cornstarch. If you want to put food coloring in there, you can use any color you want. You can also use acrylic paint. I'm using these colors because I'm going for more of a mint color. Now we're gonna make our borax solution. You're gonna need half a cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of borax. Next, you're gonna add 5 pumps of your foaming soap. Next, you're gonna add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Next, you're gonna add 2 pumps of lotion. Next, we are going to add our food color. Now we are going to add our borax solution we made earlier. We're going to want to add a little bit at a time because we don't want to ruin our slime. Now that you have added your borax to get your slime to the consistency you want, you're going to need to get a container to keep your slime in so it does not dry out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.